I don't lift them up, if I don't lift them up, if I don't lift them up, I will fall down.
In our land because
Light of mine, say that I'm
gonna let it shine.
oh, this little light of mine. Oh, I'm
Gonna let it shine.
hallelujah, this little light of mine. Oh,
Gonna let it shine.
say that this little light of mine. Oh, I want to lift my people up. They're not heavy. Oh.
complaining, extra phrases, words, or even single letters. And because of that, when a set of commandments is followed again and again by the same phrase, the Torah of God, the divine, is telling us that this is really
I don't lift them up, yeah, I will fall down. Weary up, they're not heavy. Oh, I want to lift, they're not heavy. Said that I want to lift the hopeless up, they're not heavy. I want to lift my sibling up, they're not heavy. I don't lift them up. If each other up, we will fall down. I want to lift my sister up.
Peace. All who love them, all who are mourning their deaths, all who are wondering what sense is in any of this.
Good evening, everyone.